Welcome to Dolní Vítkovice, a majestic industrial landmark in the Czech Republic. Look around. You are surrounded by colossal steel structures and the iconic blast furnace number 1. Ahead lies our destination, the Bolt Tower. This 80-meter glass and metal spiral rises above the furnace. Let's head to the base, it's time to ascend. Let's step into the panoramic elevator located in the tower's central core. As the lift accelerates upwards, look out through the glass. The ground is quickly falling away. The massive metal structures that once loomed over us now begin to shrink beneath our feet, revealing the geometric complexity of this former steelworks site. At the Bolt Tower's peak, the industrial maze of Dolní Vítkovice unfolds below. Beyond these steel structures, Ostrava's skyline stretches toward the majestic Beskydy mountains, a striking contrast between our industrial heritage and the vast horizon. It is time to begin our descent on foot. We are heading down the spectacular spiral ramp wrapping around the Bolt Tower. Step by step, we enjoy the dynamic 360-degree view as the blast furnace structures draw closer. Our time at the tower ends here, but our journey through Ostrava continues.